Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Franz Lang, and I'm here to teach you correct pronunciations in English, as well as in many other languages. In Hawaiian, this exceptionally long birth name is pronounced
Ka iminoe auloameka ikeoke kumupa'a. Ka iminoe auloameka ikeoke kumupa'a.
The name features several glottal stops, which are brief pauses in the breath between the vowel sounds.
Ka iminoe auloameka ikeoke kumupa'a. Ka iminoe auloameka ikeoke kumupa'a. Ka iminoe auloameka ikeoke kumupa'a.
All right, if you enjoy learning about pronunciations, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more pronunciation guides from around the world. Join us on this linguistic journey and stay tuned. Find more on youpronounce.it. Tschüss.